I ordered a Cell2Jack so I could use my home phone without using a landline, instead using my cellular phone. That was a pretty good, cool idea, and it's not too expensive. On Amazon, it's $37. Sorry, it's a little blurry, but it's $37. You can buy it off of eBay for about $34, $35. The thing I like about buying off of Amazon is I have the option to return if it doesn't work. You could do it on eBay, but it's a little bit more difficult. So let me go unbox this. It's a quick unboxing. So it's shipped from Amazon in just a little package. It's kind of beat up. You can see over here a little beat up, but this is the back that talks about the features and tips. It's really a basic cell phone support over here. Here's the front. So again, the reason why I got this is because landlines are really expensive. I mean, they're like $50 a month for a landline, and they don't really offer much. I mean, let's say the cell phone towers go out. It might not be nice to have a landline, but what's it called? That rarely happens. So, well, in California, it rarely happens. So, let me open this up. Here's how to set it up. It's really simple. So let me pull this out. This is it. I know I'm being kind of slow today. Back lights. So they suggest using the same cable that comes with this. This uses a micro USB, I'm pretty sure. I'm not. I mean, if I wanted to, I could get a different micro USB cable. They're saying use this one, but micro USBs should be all the same. It's mentioned here about the power adapter. They say that it's designed to share the AC adapter with a cell phone. Don't use third-party AC adapters. So we go back over here. This goes to an adapter which is not included. Here's one that I have lying around. So the bad thing is they don't have an adapter. Plug it in, and then if you want your phone to charge off of it, you can plug your phone cable. I have a Pixel phone over here. So I take my charging cable for the phone, plug this in. I'm having some trouble getting it in. Like this. And you plug this into the phone, like here. Now, I don't really suggest doing this. I suggest just getting a different power adapter, power brick for your phone. Why? They mentioned something about noise if you don't have the right adapter. Well, you're passing electricity from this power adapter, this power brick, to the Cell2Jack, and then it has to filter it into the phone. I just think it's putting a needed strain on the Cell2Jack. I know it's a nice feature, but if you have a really good phone, it probably needs a lot of electricity. So I would suggest just getting a separate power adapter and having this separate. Okay, so let's see if I can set this up. And then the last thing would be the phone line, which I connect here from this to the phone. For some reason, some people, they warn about what you call it. Don't hook it up to the landline. I don't know why you'd hook up to the landline, because the whole point of this is to use your phone with this, your home phone with this, so you can finally use it with cellular data. So let me go try to set this up. Hardware setup is simple. I need to connect this to the Cell2Jack. Let me do that. Okay, step one is connect home phone to the Cell2Jack. Let me go do that. This is the home phone wire. This gets connected into here. And then I'm not going to do this part. This one says number 2, plug this wire into the adapter, and then you want to connect it to the adapter wall. So I'm going to go do that. So that's connected. And you see it's a blue light. I'm guessing this light the big light is for power, and probably the next light is whether it's connected to a phone or not. So that is set up. It's starting to blink red over here. Let me move some of this stuff closer. Again, I mentioned I'm not going to follow step 3. Instead, step 3 is optional. I'm going to instead connect that to a separate power adapter because this phone uses a little more electricity. And I'm going to plug it over here. So now it's charging over here separately. Let me show you separately. It's all connected. Now I'm onto the software setup. And this is similar to this picture over here. Pick with your phone, home phone, and press 0 4 times, or pound star power. Pound star pound. It said warning, phone is not connected. Okay. I'm going to do pound star pound. I forgot how to do the volume. It says this should start flashing. It's flashing right now. That red light over here, it's flashing. And then I need to activate Bluetooth on my phone. Let me go do that. Every phone will be different. This is a Pixel phone, so. I need to go into settings. So settings. Bluetooth. And so I'm on step 2. I need to activate or pair the Bluetooth. I don't see anything. But I need to connect it to the Cell2Jack right now. So for some reason it's not showing up. It says I could do 0 4 times. It just said pairing. I don't see anything on here yet. Oh, maybe I need to pair a new device. Okay, my bad. And now I can connect to Cell2Jack over here. It's trying to pair. It says that. Let's pair. And now it's connected. So that was step 3 over here. So the last part is whether it's connected or not. Remember how it's flashing, that red light over here? Now it's solid. I mean, everything's set up, supposedly. So I'm going to go press this. I don't have to have this wired. Again, remember, it's connected off of Bluetooth. So you need to have your phone about like at least 15 to 20 feet away, probably. Otherwise, it might disconnect. I don't know how far away Bluetooth technology is, but that's the setup supposedly. I'm gonna press the the start button and it's empty. So it took a minute or two, but now when I on the phone, now when I press start, I hear dial tone. So I'm gonna try out calling out, and I'm also gonna try what's it called, calling in, and seeing how it works. But sorry, I'm not gonna show this part of the video because it's just for personal reasons. I don't want to show numbers and stuff. So I tried an outdoor out calling out, and first I tried calling myself, and I used my tablet, and I was watching a video off of it so I could check the voice clarity. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna call Amazon support because I love Amazon so much, and I'll show you what it shows on the screen. It's just like a regular phone call through your phone, but you can use it on here. And again, this means there's power to the Cell2Jack, and if it's solid red over here, you're connected to the Bluetooth. So it uses Bluetooth technology to connect to your phone and then transmit it to a hard line, which is great technology. I'm really impressed. I already tried it, and the call quality was pretty decent. Again, I don't suggest using the power out on this. Instead, I would suggest using separate power adapters so that when you're charging your phone, it doesn't interfere with the Cell2Jack. That's just my limited opinion, because some of these devices use a lot of electricity and can affect your quality. So I'm going to make a phone call. First, I'm going to do is, sorry, let me move this over. First, I'm going to press start, turn on the speakerphone, and I'm going to call Amazon's number, which is 1-888-280-4331. And over here, it's showing that it's making a phone call.
Amazon. Please note that this call can be recorded for training and quality purposes.
So I press the speakerphone button.
Hi. Welcome to Amazon customer service. I'm here to help you, first by finding your account, then by asking you a few questions to get the right help. Just so you know, this call may be recorded to provide you with the best support.
What's cool is it transcribes it on my Pixel phone over
Verify
here.
your account. Verifying
And
your
I might
account
have a
will
record
expedite
over
the
here.
time it takes to resolve your concern, and it only takes a second. If I can send you a text to verify your account, please say yes.
No.
I understand you don't want to verify your account through a text message. Do you want to try another option which also includes email and an Amazon app notification? If so, please say yes.
Not sure.
Okay, I've sent you the request, which may be in a text.
So anyways, that worked fine. I should try it in calling. I'm going to try it on my own right now to see how that goes. And if it looks okay, I'll show you. So I'm going to try calling in. Sorry, it's going to show up on here. It's going to light up a little bit. So let me give that a try. I'm going to make a phone call. And you'll see this happens over here in this incoming call. It even shows incoming call on there with my phone number. So the Bluetooth technology is able to transmit the information to my regular phone, what I need. And so it's actually pretty good. I mean, it works just like a landline, and as long as I keep my regular phone close enough to the Cell2Jack, everything should be pretty decent. I haven't checked the call quality over the long run, but I think it should be fine because it's just like doing something over a Bluetooth headset. And so I'm pretty satisfied so far. It seems like I'll be able to use this just fine. Again, I'm using a Pixel 3, a Pixel 3a phone. I'm not using a iPhone. I've heard that some problems with using iPhones, but I doubt it has to do with the device, but more so just setting it up initially and restarting the stuff. So I'm guessing if you do run into problems, restart your devices and hopefully everything connects just fine. Again, a reminder is if you're connected, this left light over here will be solid red, but if it's not, it will be blinking and it needs to be set up properly. And again, once you connect everything from your home line, you just need to pair the home line using either star, I mean pound star pound, or in my case, I think I use four zeros. Um, it'll so it said it'll start flashing red for some reason, but it was already flashing red in the beginning. But that's a different point. It'll stop saying stuff. It'll say like I forgot what it said, but I need to do it over again. And then you need to pair your Magic Jack to your phone through Bluetooth, and